watching this on Instagram. Welcome back to another exciting episode of a cooking series with Comfort. So today I'll be sharing with you my very simple and easy spicy linguine pasta. So this is very quick, very easy and very delicious. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I'm going to be using, first and foremost, of course, golden penny spaghetti. This is like my favorite spaghetti. I use this pasta for every of my pasta dishes: spaghetti and meatballs, spaghetti bolognese, every pasta dish, and it comes out perfect. This can serve at least 4 to 5 persons. So I can also mix this with the golden penny pasta paste if you want, but I'm going to be using just the spaghetti for this recipe. So this is the golden penny pasta paste, and it's also very, very delicious. So I'm also going to be using some garlic cloves. Yeah, some garlic cloves. I'll be using butter. I'll be using olive oil, as you can see. I'll be using some hard cheese. This is cheddar cheese. You can use Parmesan or cheddar, whichever one rocks your boat. I'll also be using some minced garlic. So I have garlic cloves and I have minced garlic. Yeah, this is some red chili flakes. Like I said, it's my spicy pasta linguine, so that is where the spice comes from. A little bit of salt. Right here I have oyster sauce and soy sauce. So I'll also be using fresh parsley and fresh green onions, and this is just for garnish. So let's get started. Like I said, this is my spicy garlic butter pasta linguine. Here I have my olive oil, so I'm going to be pouring this into a pot. Taking all that oil out, and then my garlic cloves will be going in. So we want to saute this till it is golden brown. You want to do this on low heat. We don't want that garlic burnt. We just want it looking golden brown and very, very beautiful. So we're gonna leave this for about 5 to 6 minutes. So you see how the garlic is beginning to bubble? Yeah. So we're gonna leave this for like another 3 minutes till it turns golden brown. It's not golden brown yet. So just give it another 3 to 4 minutes, and you see the beautiful colors. So guys, you can see it's getting golden brown. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. I don't want this to get burnt. I just want it a little bit toasted. When the sides get golden brown, you turn off the heat. A glass cup. You can see it's still bubbling in there. This is how we want to have it, nice and crispy. You want your garlic to be nice and crispy like this. So we set this aside. So now we're going to cook our pasta. One quick tip when cooking pasta: make sure you have adequate amount of water, and be sure to stir while the pasta is boiling, because you don't want it to stick together. So this is one tip I'm giving you for free. So I have water in the pot. I'm going to be adding a bit of salt to my pasta. And so this is salted water. I'm going to cover it up and leave it to boil. Okay guys, salted boiling water. And I'm gonna take my golden penny pasta. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this. So don't forget, guys, you have to keep stirring that pasta. You don't want it sticking together. You want it as pretty as possible. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this a couple of more minutes till it gets soft. When it gets soft, it's gonna look whiter than this. Obviously, you can also give it a test to know if it has soft to your desired perfection. So we're gonna leave this here some more minutes. So guys, as you can see, our pasta looks cooked. Like I said, you can just taste a strand and you'll know if it's soft enough. From the looks of it, it looks good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take a cup and save about a cup of that pasta water, just in case I need to clean up my sauce later. So this looks good. I'm going to save this now. Okay, so we're going to sieve these and get over to our sauce. Scissors that around. Fine. You want to do this on very low heat because we don't want our pasta sauce to get burnt or the ingredients getting burnt. So this should be done on very low heat. I'm gonna be adding my minced garlic. Like I said, you want to do this on low to medium heat because we don't want this garlic or any of the ingredients getting really burnt or getting this color. We don't want that color. Just want it nice and mild. I know what you're thinking, but when it comes to this delicious garlic butter, spicy linguine, there's nothing like too much garlic. Trust me, you're gonna love the flavors, the burst of flavors. The aroma at this point is delicious. So now I'm gonna be adding my chili flakes. I like a lot of chili in this. I mean, that's what makes it spicy, right? So what you want to do now, you just want to stir this, let the butter and the garlic and the chili flakes, let them just, you know, become friends inside that pan. So now I'm going to be adding my soy sauce. Okay. And my oyster sauce. Wow, guys, this looks and smells delicious. Honestly, you need to try this. It's coming together nicely. I'm gonna be adding my pasta. that my cheese is in there, I'm gonna give this a very nice toss. Okay. And my spicy garlic butter linguine is ready. Guys, that is so simple, so delicious, so easy. Pasta waits for no one. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this to the table. Let's go. Oil. Wow, there you have it, guys. Our delicious garlic butter pasta is ready. So simple, so easy, and so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. It makes me know what you like. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate it if you click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Until next episode, I love you guys. Bye.